Hi guys, today I will show you how you can integrate OpenCV in your Windows operating system. I had a task in which I have to install OpenCV. It was really hard for me because I don't have some authentic resource through which I can do that. But later on I figured out how to do that, and it's basically only 6 steps. So let me show you how you can install that. First you need to install the Visual Studios in your computer. You can download Visual Studio from the Visual Studio website. You can download the community version. It is free. I already have Visual Studio in my computer. You can see that. So I don't need that. So go to second step. It's just you have to download OpenCV for the Windows. So just go to opencv.org/places and download the Windows version of OpenCV. I already have it, so I also don't need this in my computer. It will basically download a file in your computer. You just need to extract that file and paste it in your C drive like this. If I go to sorry, if I go to C drive, you can see that I have pasted OpenCV in my C drive directly. So for the third step, you need to set the environment variable, and you have to give this path in environment variable. I will add this path in the description, but first you need to verify that whether this path exists in your computer or not. So yeah, this exists in my computer, so just go to environment variables and in path, then edit this, and you can press new and give this path. You can see this path is already present in my computer, so I don't need this to add in my computer. So after that, just press OK and set the environment variable. For the fourth step, you need to create an application in Visual Studios. So go to Visual Studio, and I will make a new project, a C++ console application. So OpenCV in Windows. It may take some time. My processor is 64-bit, so I have to change to 64-bit, and we need some kind of OpenCV program to check whether this functionality is working or not. So I have a simple program that simply will take the photo from my computer and load it in the frame. So I have pasted this code. I will give all the links and this code in the description of my video. So you can see that I am including OpenCV, but it is giving me the error. So let's just fix it. We just need to add some links in the properties of the project. So first of all, in C++, go to general, and for you can see the additional include directories here. So we have to give this path in that property. So first, obviously, you need to verify whether this path exists in your computer or not. It will be in OpenCV build and include. You can see OpenCV 2 v2. So just copy this path, and here just add that. So in after that, go to linker, general, and here there is additional library directories. So again, uh, this is the path for the OpenCV libraries. You need to verify that this path exists in your computer. It will be under OpenCV build x64, which is my processor, and VC14 and libraries. Just copy this path, and you have to add here. So we have given the path, and in this path you can see there are two libraries. One D is for the debug mode, another you can use it in the production. So I am just copying this path. We have to give this name in input additional dependencies. So we have to give this library name here. So just paste it and then add dot lib for library. So we have done all the things that are required for OpenCV. So just press OK and press Ctrl S to save. You can see all the error are gone. Now I am pressing Ctrl B for building this project, and here you can see its build succeeded. Now if I will run this project, it will simply load image in a frame which is written in the code. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, let me know in the comment. Thanks and bye.